Welcome to 1630 Lahaina Court in Gulf Breeze, Florida. This 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom home is 1,600 square feet. It resides in the community of Polynesian Isles, which is a waterfront community here in Gulf Breeze. So this is in fact a waterfront home on a canal that leads straight out to Pensacola Bay. Full brick exterior here with hurricane coverings as well as gutters. The roof is about 2 years old on this home. On our right-hand side, we have a side door entryway to our garage, as well as an additional parking pad with exterior security cameras on the front and backyard. Over here on our left, we do have a doorway that is an exit from one of the bedrooms. So 2 of the bedrooms here have their own private exits to the outdoors. So coming into our main living area here through the front door, we have a nice spacious open floor plan with high ceilings and recessed lighting. We do have a wonderful stone wood burning fireplace here as well. Lots of natural light flooding into this home. Eat-in kitchen on my left-hand side over here with some French doors leading out to the open patio. Nice kitchen here with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, electric cooktop, and a fridge with an ice and water dispenser. Really a nice size breakfast bar here as well in the kitchen. There's also a pantry, and just off the pantry we have this wonderful bonus room, great for climate controlled storage, or if you needed an extra large pantry, that would be a great space for this too. We do have a door that leads to the backyard on the right hand side of the house over here as well. So just a wonderful bonus room to have here. All right. I'm going to take you over onto the right side of the house where the primary bedroom is. I love it when you have this split floor plan here. It just really gives for a little bit of privacy for the primary bedroom. So this is in fact a king size bed in here. Very spacious bedroom. If you needed to get a Peloton or an additional workspace, such as a desk in here, there's plenty of room for that in this master bedroom. All the popcorn has been removed from this house, and again, we do have recessed lighting in here as well. Blinds throughout this home, as well as tile. There is no carpet. So into the primary bathroom, we do have 2 closets here. Plenty of storage space. Everyone gets their own. Jetted tub as well as a separate walk-in shower. And we do have a water closet for some additional privacy. Another great feature to have. And brand new granite beautiful countertops in here. So lots of upgrades in this house. The owners have done such a wonderful job in here. Here we have an additional space coming right off the garage, which has a keyless entry, sort of like a little mudroom to store all your needs, your books and shoes and bags and all that. So another additional bonus space. All right, I'll take you over to see the other 2 bedrooms and additional full bathroom, just located on the other side of the house. So on the back side of the house, we have our first bedroom here. This bedroom has a really spacious walk-in closet as well. I'll give you a peek at this right here. So lots of storage in this house. And this bedroom, the exterior door, I'll give you a peek out here because this one leads right out to the backyard. I'll give you a little preview of what's to come out here. There you go. I'll save the best for last out back. Ceiling fans in all the bedrooms as well. And then right in between both bedrooms, we have our full bathroom here with a shower tub combo. There's also a linen closet in this bathroom as well. Hall linen closet, and then into our third bedroom. There's 2 sets of bunks in here, so really a nice sized bedroom. And then right behind the bedroom door, we do have our exterior door that I explained to you leads right out to the front steps there. All right, let me take you out back and give you a peek at just this wonderful backyard. It is just gorgeous out here today. Beautiful, beautiful day here in Gulf Breeze. Not a cloud in the sky. So we have a really great open deck here, or open patio. Here's our door that leads to that additional bedroom that I just pointed out to you. Brand new dock just installed. There's a ladder as well. So quiet out here today, so peaceful. And there is a great seawall here as well. It's in really good shape, as you can see right here. So nothing to do. All you have to do is bring your boats and your kayaks and your paddle boards and just enjoy just the beautiful weather and being out here in Gulf Breeze and owning your own waterfront home. There's plenty of room out here. Oh, we have some company. There's plenty of room out here to do a nice seating area out here as well. Maybe a little fire pit, whatever you may need. So this house is just turnkey and ready to go. There are no projects whatsoever. So I'll take you back inside and I'll give you one last peek at the kitchen and main living area. So peaceful. We got a talker out there. All right. So let us know if you'd like to set up a private showing, or if you have anybody who'd like to see it. We would love to show you this gorgeous home. Again, this is 1630 Lahaina Court in Gulf Breeze, Florida.